Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. So Doge actually reached the first ideal target for that third wave that we talked about, but actually morphed from something that looked very, very choppy into something that looks very impulsive. So the support areas have been holding, and actually now we have really the chance that a wave 4 starts soon. So let me explain what we discussed and what now the parameters are that we need to be watching. So in this structure to the upside, obviously I've been watching this 5-wave pattern to the upside since wave 4 bottomed on the 20th of March. I highlighted to you that the third wave in the white scenario should reach, well, minimally 21 cents, but the first ideal target is actually 22, which was reached. So I think it's time for an update. Yesterday I mentioned that the price could get rejected if it's the yellow count at 19.6 cents, but that I would not want to be bearish until, or short-term bearish, until the support range breaks. And the support area, I think it wasn't even reached. So now the support area is very relevant because now that we've reached actually the first ideal target for a third wave, it is possible that at any point a fourth wave starts. Had we seen a rejection down here at 19.6 cents before reaching the minimum target for a third wave as per the white count, then yeah, the pullback wouldn't really have been a fourth wave. But now we have 3 waves that are long enough to be actually a proper 3-wave pattern, not as an ABC, but as a 1, 2, 3. And then a fourth wave pullback could happen next. And the support range, which I've now adjusted based on the latest high, that support range is between 17.2 and 20.2 cents. Additional support levels are 19 cents and 18 cents. Why this support area? Well, I have told you yesterday that the microstructure looks extremely choppy. So I prefer for the wave 4 to include the 61.8 retracement level in case we get a deep wave 4 pullback. But chances are it might only be a shallow one. So it's just something normally I don't even want the wave 4 to reach the 61.8 retracement. I normally prefer that they stay above the 50% fib level anyway for also in an impulse and a diagonal anyway. Well, in a diagonal and in an impulse anyway. Yeah. So that's sort of what I would prefer, that it's holding there the higher low. If we get a pullback, I mean, there's absolutely no sign yet that there is a pullback. Okay, so the next upside targets, which would be it wouldn't be unusual for a third wave to reach higher extension levels. So we talk about next upside targets, 23.6 cents. It might reach that. 24.8 and 26.4. So I only shared with you the first ideal target, which is at 22 cents, 21.98 cents, yeah, pretty much where we are now. And it can always extend further. It would actually be unusual for a crypto not to extend further, especially in the bull market. But yeah, let's see. I mean, Doge definitely found its running shoes. At this stage, it could still be a high B wave. That has become less likely, of course, with the price pushing to the 1.38 extension. However, not impossible as long as it's just a 3-wave move. So, I mean, I've got the yellow count on the chart, which obviously is less likely now. But you need a scenario in case support breaks. What would be the scenario to go with? Well, it would be the yellow one. But the thing is, because it's now a high B wave, we might not reach the, we might reach the orange support area, but we might not end the C wave in yellow below the low of the A wave. So it might end above 12.3 cents if it happens. So for now, though, I think it is worth watching the white count further since the price hasn't done anything to invalidate it. And yeah, what would be the next level, as I said, 23.6 cents. There's actually some Fibonacci confluence between smaller degree targets. You see here the smaller degree targets. The next one's 23.6 cents and 24.8. And if I zoom out a little bit, the larger degree targets, there's one at 23.6 cents as well. Now, I'm not saying we will definitely stop there, but yeah, I think, we don't want to guess where a rally finishes. All that we can do is really outline the ideal parameters, and the first ideal target has been reached, which means that any pullback would now be seen as a wave 4 until the price breaks support. And for the wave 4, we've got the parameters on the chart clearly defined. If the third wave extends higher, I would have to adjust the support area, as you can see, with the price. So at the moment, it seems that this structure would need, or at least it would look best with another 4-5 pattern. And as soon as we have the wave 4 in place, we can calculate a target for wave 5. Normally, the wave 5 would reach sort of 2 fib levels higher than the wave 3. So let's assume the wave 3 finishes at 23.6 cents. Then the fifth wave might reach 26.4. Okay, that's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.